Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ulat ka jila UCH Vijayashankar. Ulapan pao ya ka jingduna jongki Kynthei. Hapo ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jila Meghalaya. Da ka bakdo batang laingut na ki Henry Ngut ki dikhot. Hapo ka yeng dorbar minta ki de ki Kynthei. Habakran ha ka program bala penlong da katanat social welfare ha dorbar hall lok bhavan. Haka khandai tarik ulber arja apun rio ban rakhe ya ka sngi buram jongki Kynthei ha ka lengka perthei bat ban rakhe ya ka jingdap khatway snem jong ka scheme beti bachao beti padao ulat uloong ba ka jinglong jingman kapan pau ya ka jingdan kam ban yashim benta khambon ki Kynthei ha ka san Hima sima jong ka jilla ulapan pau ka jingkermen ba ka jingthmu ban bu karpang lai pusan na ka benta ki Kynthei ha ki yeng dorbar thawan kan sapentray kamshen. Kabala ban pinbha shibun ya ka jing ya don benta jongki Kynthei habaro ar ki dorbar thawan ka jilla bat ka yeng dorbar thawan ka ri. Ulat ulakentu ya ki Kynthei hakaleng ka jilla bakin pinkre ilade ban shim ya ki kam nong yalam. Bat ban yashim benta shitrhem haka kam san perthei.
Meghalaya has a rich cultural tradition where women hold an important place in society. The unique heritage reminds us that respecting and empowering women has always been part of our values. However, even today, there is a need to continue strengthening opportunities for women in the education, health, entrepreneurship, and leadership. I think out of 60 MLAs in Meghalaya, Mr. Policy, we are able to see only 3 belongs to women community. If at all 33% reservation comes, it is going to come 100%. If at all 33% reservation come into force, I think probably from next election, I think it is going to come. 33% in the sense not less than 20 MLAs we are able to see in the assembly, that particularly in the state of Meghalaya. No claps. You see, in the place of 3, you are going to be 20. Such being the case, I think your missus is supposed to contest in place of you. So 20, not less than 20, 33 in the sense probably 20 MLAs are able to see the state of Meghalaya. And minimum 1 MP is going to reserve for the women community. Out of 2, 1 is going to be reserved for women community. This is going to happen. Mentally we have to prepare for that.
Ya don kanu ka kamru ka bangin hap ya keren ya penbek ki kamru ku mengalong ya pimene don kamra songkai ni songin ya keren hi hang ni barako kata kalong ka karukom im jong diri undai langit ndaki beriu ke ya be ya kata ka kum ka juk ka pamta kan kanduk kani ka jong man barim bon ki ai baro ki bale uman barim ki ladu